Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where we share real stories from CNC manufacturing, the ones that remind us why precision matters and how the smallest details can make the biggest difference. This time I want to talk about a lesson I learned early on in my career. It all came down to 4 ten-thousandths of an inch. We were machining a stainless steel shaft for a high-speed rotary system. Nothing crazy at first glance, tolerances were tight but not insane, or so we thought. The issue, a clearance fit between the shaft and the press fit bearing housing. We were off by 4 ten-thousandths of an inch, not even half a thousandth, but it was enough to cause the bearing to bind during final testing. The customer flagged it, the whole assembly had to be disassembled, the parts scrapped, we went back to the drawing board. It wasn't fun, but it was a wake-up call. That job taught me something important. Precision isn't about perfection for the sake of pride. It's about knowing a few ten-thousandths of an inch can make all the difference in fit, in function, and in performance. Because when you're dealing with rotating assemblies, press fits, sealing surfaces or engines, even the tiniest variance can mean vibration, leaks or even total failure. So yeah, 4 ten-thousandths of an inch might seem small, but in this trade it's the kind of detail that separates good parts from the great ones. If you've got a story where the tiniest tolerance made a massive impact, I want to hear it. Drop it in the comments. Your experience might just be in a future episode of Chuck's Corner. And if you're enjoying the stories from the shop floor, hit that like button, leave a comment and make sure you subscribe. We've got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.